Ah, what's up everybody, it's Bandwagon231 here, and in this video we have a little bit of a different video. So I got a package. Now obviously I have to cross that out because I don't want stalkers, you know, when you're as famous as I am. I'm gonna get stalkers if I let you guys know where I live. So I got an email the other day. It was from YouTube. It said, "Congratulations on 100 subscribers." So, is this gonna be related to it? I don't know. Now, you guys already do, because I probably put in the title, and I probably put a clickbaity thumbnail. So, let's open it up. I just realized I don't have a knife. There we go. I don't have one of those package opening knives, so this will do. Alright, let's open it up. I'm kinda nervous. What's inside? What? Congrats. Congratulations, Bandwagon 321? That's not even my YouTube channel name. Alright, let's keep reading. You have reached 100 subscribers. That's true. Keep up the good work and we hope you will reach other milestones with us. Arrow. And we can't wait until you can start earning money. I can't wait either. What's this gonna be? Alright, let's start opening this up. Wow, they couldn't even use proper packing paper. Did they just come out of like comp notebooks? Well, I guess I can't really ask much. I am only at 100 subscribers. That's not saying I'm not thankful, thank you. Got scissors here. No, I don't even need scissors. Alright. Really? Ow. That sounded pretty good. I see. I got a YouTube play button. What? Thank you, YouTube. Oh my god, look. Wait a minute. They couldn't even print one out. It's literally just color pencils. It's not even a proper frame, it's a picture frame. Okay? Now where shall we hang this up? Now I do a lot of these videos where you can see the wall back there. And it looks pretty empty. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, now on a more serious note, guys, thank you so much for getting me to 100 subscribers. And I couldn't have done this without Alec. Go check out his channel. It's right there. And he always shouts me out on his Instagram. Go follow his Instagram. Go follow my Instagram. It's literally still just a Bandwagon231. Check out my friend Braden Patrick's channel. Go check out his channel. It's right there. He does some cinematography there. And I hope you guys stay subscribed until I get to 200, which is my goal by the end of the summer. But I don't know if that'll be achievable. Let's go. 200 subscribers, here we come.